Good evening. Very, very good evening to my dear प्यारा धुन परिवार. शुक्रिया, करम, मेहरबानी. दोस्तों, जिंदगी हसीन है, खासकर उनके लिए जो इसे संगीत से निखारना जानते हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ ये जानते हैं कि संगीत में क्या जादू है ना? हमारा ये प्यारा धुन परिवार भी ऐसे ही एक सुरों की जादुई कॉर्ड से जुड़ा हुआ है. We all love music, and every year a few of us take on the responsibility to ensure that we make the most of our musical time together. Last year, a few of us, including me, got a chance to do our bit for our Dhun Parivar. This under the able leadership of Mangala Ghorpade. मंगला ने पहले से ही सोच रखा था कि कुछ अच्छा करने का एक भी मौका वो हाथ से नहीं जाने देगी. And did I have a choice? Not at all. Her enthusiasm is contagious. And we all tried our best to do whatever we could. पूरी टीम ही जुट गई थी एक होके एक कॉमन गोल लेके. And here we are together enjoying the end of a great inning. My heart fills with mixed emotions of joy and gratitude as I call upon our super enthusiastic, very hardworking, ever ready, power-packed go-getter, melody queen of Dhun, Rotarian Mangala Ghorpade. Please, Mangala, join us and share a few words.
Thank you so much, Khatija, for that wonderful introduction. So good evening, all. I'm really thankful to all of you, in spite of the heavy rainfall you have there, and there Paddy and Pallavi are coming all the way from Pune, Lonavala. So really, thank you so much. And that too in time, they were before us. So it's not me only, it's the whole team. So I call upon my Dhun team, 23-24, please be on the stage. The whole CC team. BOD, whoever is there. Yeah. So the thing is, I'm not going to give any lecture. Today is a Shukriya. Enjoy the best. And we will share one video too with you, which might be repeat for few of you. But then that will showcase what we did throughout the year. And it's only not me. There were a few ideas, but yes, it started working out. So that's the best part because the team was with me. So I call upon Rachna. Rachna? Okay. So here we are, the whole team. Rachna is missing. If she comes, she'll join. So we just bow down for the wonderful cooperation and support you all give. Without members, nothing would have been possible. So thank you so much. So we can showcase our audio visual. Yeah, Jay can. Yeah. So we will, I think, step down. Rachna ji, be here. So this is what we have done. It will be in a video.
बुलाने के लिए जाम है काफी, पर ये क्या बोतलों के बाद की साथी वो सुकून न मिला। हम बेवक्त इस पतझड़ के मारे ही सही, दुआएं दूं तुम्हें तुम्हारी उस बेवफाई का सिला। अगर हम ये मान लें कि बहारें फिर भी आएंगी, अगर हम ये मान लें कि बहारें फिर भी आएंगी, क्या पता हम कदम वो मिले या ना सही, क्या कभी आसमां से जमीन आके भी मिला।
बहुत जबरदस्त।
सिंगर्स के लिए है। शायरी भी हो सकता है।
Yeah, thank you so much, Jay. So now we have mentors with us. See, Vishudas Bhave would have never been possible without Ajit Mistry sir. And we all singing in great way. Sunil sir was always there to support us, and he gave special tuitions to some students. And our practice session used to be always at NB. Sir used to spare us that NB studio for us. So thank you so much, three of you, sir. Without you, nothing would have been possible. Thank you, that's all we would like to say, and we'll start with the music program soon. So over to Khatija. Yeah. Paddy sir na sangale. Yeah, we would like to inaugurate our e-magazine with Paddy sir and Pallavi from our IFRM India team. I got so excited, I forgot about the whole thing. So I call upon Viji to be here. Dr. Viji, please be here. So she has done all the things like whatever. I think they have to just click that button. Yeah, so it's E. Yeah, it's E. It's all digital. Finger touch. acting. So photographer, please. चालू हो गया. Back. So this is e-magazine, which will be available for everyone by the QR code. This is Colonel Sandhya Tamzi, because of whom this chapter was possible. We are missing Anuja. Thank you so much, patiently going through it. So big round of applause for Dr. Vijay, who is into IT professional and who did all the compiling for the magazine, E-magazine. I forgot to mention, JNPT the musicians were provided by Mr. Sanvi. Everyone enjoyed. We really felt like we were too professional now to grab any stage. So that was one thing I remember. Then Nerul Gymkhana Amphitheatre, because of Baljit ma'am, we could do it. Thank you, Baljit ma'am. Yeah. So one more thing. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, let's have one group photo. And then we'll sign off as... Yeah. You take with the magazine later.
Search and destroy. Let's go.
Yeah, hello. And forgot, JNPT venue was given by Abhinavji. So a big round of applause for Abhinavji. Through his friend, Mr. Singh, who is always there with us, supporting us. So thank you, Mr. Singh. Yeah, thank you. Over to Khatija, please.
जैसे कि मंगला ने जस्ट पहले आज अभी मेंशन किया, हमारे बीच कुछ ऐसे आज लोग भी हैं जिन्होंने अपने व्यस्त होने के बावजूद हमारा हर मोड़ पे साथ दिया। आज के हमारे इन विशेष अतिथियों का हम स्वागत करते हैं। हम उनके आभारी हैं कि उन्होंने आज हमारे न्योते को स्वीकार कर अपनी उपस्थिति से हमारे कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। They are all very popular, experienced stalwarts in their respective ways in the field of music, and we feel honored and humbled that they guided us and supported us during the term whenever required. Especially today being Guru Purnima, it is an additional pleasure that you were our mentors, and we feel so proud that you are here with us today. So Ajit sir, Vinod sir, Sunil sir, I will be more than happy to have you on stage. First, can I call Paddy sir and Pallavi to please join us on stage, and we can felicitate our guests then.
Search and destroy. Let's go.
Ajit sir, please come on stage. Ajit sir. Ajit sir.
Requesting backup. Come on forward.
Vinod sir, please join us on stage. Sunil sir, please. Mangla can stay on stage. I have just been told by Baljit ma'am that she has a little something for Mangla and me. I'm